Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Mahakusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss the second video lecture of the chapter 2 of unit 2 of class 10, that is our some of the advantages of working independently. Some of the advantages of working independently. In the last video class, we have discussed the 5 advantages. That is our you become the boss. We have already discussed. You own the credit. Easy to focus. You become the authority and become independent. These 5 advantages we have already discussed. Today class we will discuss the another 5 advantages of working as independently. That is our no external pressure, no confusion, no comparison, more clarity, more efficiency, better knowledge of things, overall growth. Now we will discuss one by one advantages of the working as independently. Students, we will discuss now what no external pressure. No external pressure. As we work alone, or when you work alone, there is no pressure from the others, no pressure from your higher authority, no pressure from the manager level, because you are the owner, you are the boss, you are working by yourself, you are working alone, you are not depending from the others. That means in that case there is no pressure from the other side. Yes or no, students? That means you do your work by alone, and how much time it will take, that is dependent on you, because you are alone. You are not depending from the others. Yes or no? That means you have no any of the senior level, manager level, HR level. You are the HR, you are the manager. Yes or no, students? That's why in that situation, no any type of the external pressure from your side or from the other side also. Your mental will be totally free. How much time, that does not matter. But you start your job, and up to the complete, how much time it will take, that does not matter. When there is no external pressure. Yes or no, student? If suppose you are studying and external pressure from your parent side and teacher side, then what will happen? You will be irritated. You will be irritated. What you are saying? How much time they are saying? Study, study, study. Except the study, there is no need of the other things. There is no other of the chances. Yes or no? So that means you will feel the irritate. If same thing will be repeatedly saying to the particular person, that person will feel the irritate. But in this case, when you are working as a alone independently, there is no any type of the pressure. Is that clear? Next one, no confusion, no comparison, more clarity. Students, as we are working alone, in that case, there is no any type of the confusion. Because I am working alone, you think, students, suppose A, B, C, D are the grouping of the people which are working for a particular job, and another suppose he is the only the single person. He is the single person, whereas the A, B, C, D are the 4 grouping of the people which are working one job, but this person is working one job. That means he is the working as a alone, and from the E side there is no any type of the confusion. If you are alone, there is no confusion. Okay, student, there is no comparison. When the comparison situation will be situated, when more than one people will be working of a same job, in that case the confusion will be situated. Yes or no, student? That means when A, B, C, D will be working for a same job, in that case must be confusion, comparison. Yes or no? In your classroom, 40 students are studying. Yes or no? That means roll number 1, 2, 3, they are comparing between them. Roll number 3 is seeing, is watching how much he or she got the score. Roll number 2, roll number 1 also. They are comparison in between them. Yes or no, student? In the same way also, A, B, C, D are always comparison. Always. But he will not compare because he is alone. He is working alone. Why? He or she will compare with the others. Why? Because he is alone. No need any type of the comparison. No need any type of the confusion also. If two people are working for the same job, it may both have the confusion. Which one is a good, which one is a bad. But when he will work the same job as a alone, in that case, there is no any type of the confusion, no any type of the doubt. Yes or no, student? No any type of the comparison mind also will be there. Okay? He or she will think that I must complete the work. How much time it will take? That is not it. That's it. Is that clear? Next one is a student. More clarity. If there is no comparison, no confusion, then clarity will be more and more. Remember this one. Because when he is working as a alone, there is no confusion, no comparison. That means the clarity of the work is more, obviously more. Because if a single work can be done by the single person, that means that is alone. Yes, no? That means are they independently? In that case, he gives or she gives the more focus on his job, on his work. How much I will good or how much I will try to do the good, for that other people will like my work. Yes or no? That means in that case, if confusion will be there, then clarity will be less. When comparison will be more, then clarity will be less. When there is no any type of the comparison, yes or no? No confusion, then clarity of the work is more. That means working efficiency will be more. Productivity will be more. Yes or no, student? Is that clear or not? More efficiency. As we discussed, when a person will be working as a alone, there is no any type of the confusion. Though there is no any type of the comparison from the others. That means the working efficiency will be more or it will be increased gradually. Productivity also will be increased. Is that clear enough, students? Because when the people have the working alone, when that person has much more money, or when he has the strong mentality, patience, these type of the things when will be there in that person, that means what? That person must be working as a independent. If the person will be working as a independently, that means the efficiency also will be increased. Day to day, he has created the own interest from the body. Yes or no? From the heartly, it will be increased gradually. When he or she has interested, yes, I will do the job, this one. Yes, I will complete. Because he has also, there is no any type of the pressure. But he or she will think, I must complete within 1 month, within 2 months, within 3 months. For that, other type person will they give the work to me also. Yes or no, students? If that person will think or working as a alone, there is no any pressure. How much time you can take? But still, it is a time limit there. Time limit is there. The same work will be done by 2 years, 3 years. Then what will happen? There is no pressure, but efficiency will be less. Yes or no, students? As we work independently, as we are working alone, like suppose he is working alone, he is not depending from the other. There is no any type of the external pressure. The person is, that means automatically the efficiency will be increased. As efficiency will be increased, the productivity also increased. Is that clear? Next one, student, better knowledge of things. As we are working alone, or when a person is working alone, or when the person is working independently, that means he must have the knowledge. She must have the knowledge. Otherwise, working as independently not possible. If I have no capability, if I have no any type of the knowledge, how to start the work, to start the particular work, what type of process will be gone through. If I have no any type of the knowledge, if we have no any type of the knowledge, then what will happen? We will not work as independently, we will not work as alone. For working alone, we must have the knowledge. And those persons are working as alone, that person must have the knowledge. And day to day, his or her knowledge also will be increased in a field, in the business field. Those people are, you see students, you see when a person starting the business from today, after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, his business idea will be increased. That means knowledge will be increased. You can take any type of the example. Yes or no, student? Your Ambani, you take the Ambani. What he has already started the job from the beginning. But nowadays he has the position number 1 and number 2 in our country for the richest. Yes or no? That means business mind has already increased, and day to day is increasing also. Now you see that Ambani, Anil Ambani, he has launched newly each and every year. Now he has already launched the 5G network of the Jio. Yes or no, students? You see, when he has launched the Jio network, that means he has a more popular. That means most of the people are prefer the Jio network. Yes or no? Before the Jio network, Airtel network was so popular. Yes or no, students? Most of the people were using the Airtel. When Jio was launched, that time Airtel was back. That means who is the owner of the Jio network? That is the what? Our Anil Ambani. Yes or no, student? We can take so much examples. Yes or no? We can take so much examples. Once a person is starting the business from the today, suppose he has knowledge, but he has not more knowledge. When he has started the knowledge from the beginning. After some days, after some months, after some years, his knowledge must be increased, because he is working as alone. He has no any type of the pressure. He is not comparison with the others. He is just focused. He just focused to the job. Is that clear? When the people will focus on the work as alone, the knowledge also will be increased. If you are studying alone, you are not depending from the others, you see your knowledge also will be increased. There is no doubt. That means your answer and those students are doing by the tuition, that knowledge both have the so much difference. Is that clear or not? Because those students are studying alone, he or she is studying from the page by page inside the book. But those are studying by the tuition, they are only for the teachers, what the tuition teacher is saying. Yes or no, students? That is the problem. That means he or she has not knowledge inside the book. But those are studying alone, self-study at the home, he has a much more knowledge. Is that clear, students? That means that students' knowledge will be increased gradually. Is that clear? The students, as we are working independently or alone, knowledge, no doubt, knowledge will be increased. Okay, students? Then overall growth, student. That means as we discussed from 1 to 9, what we conclude that as we working alone, as we are working independently, overall will be growth. That means knowledge will be growth. That means our efficiency also will be growth. Productivity also will be growth. Yes or no? Then another also will be growth, students. Your credit. That means other people are also telling that that person is very good job by the alone. Is that clear? Focusing also, power is also will be raised. Yes or no, student? That is the overall growth. Overall, that is totally your knowledge will be increased. There is no doubt. Your efficiency also will be increased. Because today I am doing the work as a alone 6 hours. Tomorrow 6 hours 10 minutes. Day after tomorrow 6 hours 20 minutes. That means day to day our working hour will be increased automatically because I will take the interest. Yes or no? Automatically the interest will be created during the working hour as a alone. Is that clear, student? As working alone, your interest also will be increased in yourself. That is also overall growth. As interest will be increased, your working hour will be also increased. Then your efficiency is also increased. Your productivity is also increased, and your knowledge also will be increased. Is that clear, student? So, student, in this way we have discussed all the advantages of working as independently. What type of advantages? The question will come. Write the advantages. Write this point with explanation. Yes or no, student? And if we will ask, these are all the students most of the important points. Okay, students. These are all the most of the important. Is that clear? So, students, once you read this one from the book and what have I discussed in the video lecture. Okay, you watch that one, you can easily understand. After that, you read from the book also. After that, I will give the question, you do that one. Is that clear, student? So, student, that's it. Next class, we will discuss same topic and next subtopic. Is that clear, student? So, students, remember this one. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.